Introducing the revolutionary grow bag with an exclusive secret window feature that transforms how you harvest potatoes without plant damage, now available at thelawn.company. This innovative transparent viewing window wraps a full 360 degrees around the bag, allowing you to monitor potato development underground with complete visibility. The breakthrough comes at harvest time. Simply open the Velcro harvest flap and reach through the window to collect mature potatoes while preserving smaller ones for continued growth. This patented system delivers continuous harvest from identical plants throughout the entire season. The spacious 43-litre capacity accommodates up to 7 potato plants, maximizing yields while minimizing space requirements. Perfect for potatoes, carrots, radishes, and more. The advanced breathable fabric technology promotes optimal root development, while the waterproof base eliminates messy leaks on balconies and patios. Reinforced handles ensure easy relocation for optimal sunlight positioning, regardless of weight. Compact flat fold design provides convenient off-season storage. This represents complete growing innovation, not just another grow bag. Experience fresh homegrown vegetables through this exceptional window harvesting system at thelawn.company today.